Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today's video is going to be another light up DIY for you guys. And also, I do believe you could call it a trash to treasure video because we are going to be utilizing this box right here. It came from a bottle of alcohol called Lagavulin. And if you are a fan of Parks and Rec, you would know that this is the drink that Ron drank all the time on here. So this was Chad's. He had bought it for a special occasion and he saved the box for me because it's so pretty and we are going to be utilizing it for this DIY. It is about 12 inches long, and so we are going to cut the top off this and then we are going to make it into something that I have seen everywhere that is really expensive and do it for under $10. Okay, so here's what that looks like now. I think it turned out really, really well. It's very sturdy with this box that I have because it's like a cardboard lined box as well. But I think if you have a normal cardboard box, this will work just fine. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to spray paint the inside because I don't really care for the natural wood finish. I made this extra lip and I put these sides up like this because we are going to be using some glass pieces to make the top of it enclosed so little fingers and stuff can't get to the flames, and they look just like the ones you can purchase in the stores. So that's what we're going to be doing next. So once I do that, then we're gonna fill the inside and put in our shaving little cans, pots, and we will be done. Okay, here's what that looks like. Now we are going to take our leftover glass that we had from the Dollar Tree picture frames and we're going to go ahead and cut it with this glass cutter. This is a glass scorer and they are fairly cheap. This one's by a Husky. You can get them at pretty much any hardware store. So here is my final project and I am amazed with how well it came out. I have been seeing these everywhere and I saw one in the store recently and it was $80. Target actually sells something like this without the glass and theirs is a metal on the frame and it is like $140. Obviously it does not utilize the chafing pots, but still you can do this for so much less. This one right here, I utilized a box from that liqueur which would have gone into my recycle bin or been thrown away with trash, and popsicle sticks, the extra large popsicle sticks, glass from Dollar Tree picture frame, a bag of rocks. I know I used two, but I didn't have two full bags of rocks, so I ended up using what I had on hand, and then some aluminum foil that pretty much everyone has in the bottom of it, and voila, you are done. All in all, you can make this for $6 to $7. That is a great price compared to $80. Now I will suggest that the only hard part about this is cutting the glass. I use a scoring tool. It's really easy with that. I would suggest that you get that. I do believe they run under $10 at most hardware store. I already had mine. I don't even know what we paid for it, but it was in Chad's tools. So yes, you need that to score the glass. But the Dollar Tree glass is so thin, you don't have to worry, and it cracks perfectly. I ended up having to buy 2 frames, an extra frame, because my frame, I knocked a piece of it on the floor and it broke, but it did not break when I was scoring it at all, so don't worry about that. And speaking of the glass, I put this on because I do have grandchildren, and my youngest granddaughter, I didn't want her little fingers to get near it. So if you have kids, this works perfectly, and the glass does not heat up. Chad and I both checked it at different times while it was lit, and it doesn't heat up at all, so that is perfect. Also, I spray painted the inside of the box and stuff after I had already put all of the wood pieces on. Now I would suggest that you take about 10 of your popsicle sticks and just spray paint both sides of them if you didn't want to go ahead and spray paint the box after and have to wait for it to dry then, because you don't see anything but the sides and the edge at the top. So as long as those popsicle sticks are already spray painted, you don't even have to worry. So that is it for this DIY. It was easy to do. I threw a Dollar Tree butterfly for the new butterflies that I found on there, and I thought it was darn cute. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see another light up DIY from me, because I do have one more thing in mind for you guys. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space, I don't know why not, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. We make a lot of cool things like this here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.